Being a girl with wavy and kind of frizzy hair, that a hair oil is actually so important to me because it kind of tames everything and gives my hair that moisture that it needs. So that's why I need to try this Drybar Blowout Defense. This was gifted to me from the brand, but it's always a women's honest opinion. So what I really love about this bottle is super cute. I love the yellow, but as you're gonna see, this is a nice, like, good viscosity for oil that doesn't feel too heavy on the hands when you're running it through, but you're gonna find some immediate benefits. It's gonna give you that shine that you want, that vibrancy. This is also gonna lock out any humidity and it's gonna help tame your frizz. But this is also gonna give you heat protection up to 450 degrees, which is really what you want because your hair is going to look so much better in the long run if you're going to have that heat protection. This also will repair any this will help repair split ends. This will also protect against breakage and add moisture and lock in the hydration. So if you're looking for a new hair oil, this is one it also has that classic blow dry kind of scent. Blow dry bar scent. Kind of that crisp, like lightweight scent. So if you're looking for a new hair oil, the scent is blood orange with a warm captivating sandalwood. So it is a bright kind of citrusy scent. So if you're looking for a new hair oil, this is one you need to check.